Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 15. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. If age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. Let us solve this problem in this way. Here the two parts are the two parts two parts are 15 and 12. Sum of the parts sum of the parts is 15 plus 12, that is equal to 27. What this means? This means out of 27 parts, 15 parts will be got by Shreya and 12 parts will be got by Bhumika, right? Out of 27 parts, right? Therefore, you can say that out of every Shreya will get Shreya Shreya will get 15 parts out of every 27 parts. Bhumika will get 12 parts out of every 27 parts. Therefore Shreya will get 15 by 27 into 36 rupees. If you divide it by 3, 3 9 is 27, 3 12 is 36, then again it is 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 9 is 27, 3 12 is 36, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, right? Again 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. That means you will get 5 into 4, 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Right? And Bhumika will get Bhumika will get 12 by 27 into 36. We cut it by 3, 3 12 is 36, 3 9 is 27, again 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, again 3 1 is 3 and 3 4 is 12. That is rupees 4 4 is 16 rupees. 16 rupees. Right? Therefore, here you will see that Shreya will get rupees 20 and Bhumika will get rupees 16. Right? In this way, you can solve the problem. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.